everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are planning a quick getaway to Phuket and wondering how to make the most out of your 3 days, then this video is just for you. From turquoise water and white sand beaches to the buzzing night, Phuket has everything for a traveler. Today, I will guide you with a very simple and fun itinerary that covers the best of the Phuket in just 3 days. After reaching our hotel, we went to the vibrant Phuket Old Town, known for its historic and colorful streets, giving a glimpse to its past history.
So now I am in Phuket. So after coming from Bangkok to Phuket in the morning, I started my day by visiting this beautiful Old Phuket Town. So let's visit.
Next, we went to have lunch at Cat Cafe, where you can sip your favorite beverage while surrounded by adorable cats. Located in Old Phuket Town, it's not just a cafe, but a sanctuary for cats and a heaven for those looking for furry companionship. Enjoy a variety of beverage with traditional Thai food.
It's so yum and tasty.
It's so tasty, really, it's so tasty. You're having shrimp.
Shrimp and sweet.
Welcome to Phuket 3D Museum, where art and illusion come to life.
So this is our ticket for the 3D Eye Museum and we are going inside. It costs 500 baht per person. So let's go.
As you enter the museum, you will be greeted by virtual colors and fantastic artwork. Join us on this exciting adventure and step into the world of imagination. Next, I went to SILADON Spa for a wonderful spa experience at a reasonable cost. Evening, we refreshed ourselves and got ready to be picked up by a van to the world-famous SIAM NIRAMIT.
Phang Nga Bay. So we have entered the SIAM NIRAMIT Phuket show and it is very exciting. There are so many activities to play on. I am very much excited. So please let's go and visit with me.
SIAM NIRAMIT is more than just a show. It's an immersive experience that begins the moment you step into the venue. Located in Phuket with a capacity of over 2,000 seats, this grand theatre welcomes guests from all corners of the world. We did our booking through MAIYADA.com, which I will leave the description for booking.
Enjoying the day with Manjusha.
And it is very exciting. So many things are going to do and it is so much lined up for me. What to do, what not to.
Step into the 100 years old Thai village. engage with Thai artisans, savor authentic Thai cuisines.
I had this coconut and rice, they're traditional. It's very tasty. It's like burst of flavors. I had around 2 to 3 things. I am experiencing the traditional Thai culture which they had in their villages.
Immerse into the country's vibrant culture.
There is a Thai traditional village where you can explore, and they show different parts of the Thai culture and how they live and all the things were under one roof. Please do visit.
As the sun sets, enjoy a captivating pre-show performance before the final show. You can have your buffet dinner at their dining hall, serving all kinds of delicacies. As no video camera is allowed inside, we will just show courtesy video of the final show.
It's time for world-class culture entertainment.
There's something so peaceful in the morning, just us and the morning air, and enjoy with the sound of birds chirping around you, as you deserve that kind of peace. Today's breakfast is simple and nourishing: chicken breast with green salad. Start your adventure at Patong Beach, known for its vibrant atmosphere and beautiful waters. Spend the morning soaking up at the sun and enjoy water sports. Have a stroll through the beach areas to get a real vibe of Patong Beach. In the afternoon, head over to Karon Beach for a more relaxed vibe and stunning sunsets.
What is your name?
Nick.
Nick.
About your trip like 7 hours. 7 hours we provide food and drinks, lunch, dinner, drinking water, lots of this on the boat, unlimited service, and then more.
No trip to Phuket is complete without exploring the nearby islands. So we booked a tour through John Gray's Sea Canoe via MAIYADA.com to explore the breathtaking Phang Nga Bay and its limestone caves. This bay is massive, over 40 islands scattered across calm, green waters. Each one feels like a scene from a fantasy movie. located in the southern part of Thailand, is a 400 square kilometer area in the Andaman Sea. Get ready to explore the hidden gems, vibrant marine life. The cliffs literally shoot straight out of the sea. One of the best ways to soak in the beauty of Phang Nga Bay is by kayaking. Glide through the emerald waters and navigate through the maze of limestone caves and lagoons surrounded by cliffs. The feel of gliding through these natural wonders is truly unforgettable. It was a very unforgettable experience of kayaking, which we have never done before.
She's doing the canoeing for the first time, and we are going to hit the limestone hill ahead of us.
Quick tips: bring sunscreen lotion, water shoes, and a waterproof bag, as it will be helpful. At the end of the day, we made Patong, a traditional Thai floating basket made from banana leaves and decorated with candles and incense sticks. The act of lighting the Patong is deeply symbolic in Thai culture. They are gently placed on the water and given a slight push. Day 3, we started our day by joining a tour group leading towards Phi Phi Island and Maya Bay and many more. Looking at the pristine clear water and the limestone cliffs, each turn of the vessel reveals a new slice of paradise, and caves echoing with the stories of pirates and ancient traders. Finally, we reached Maya Bay, the crown jewel of Andaman Sea. Famous for the Hollywood movie The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Maya Bay was relatively unknown until the year 2000, when the film turned this island into a bucket list destination for the travelers worldwide. Getting here usually means a 45-minute speedboat ride from Phuket.
Maya Bay.
And there it is, white sand and emerald water. Then our boat took us to Koh Phi Phi Don Island, where our tour operator has arranged a buffet lunch at MAIYADA restaurant. After lunch, our boat took us to Koh PANYI, a floating Muslim village in southern Thailand built entirely on stilts. Founded 200 years ago by Muslim fishermen from Indonesia, today around 1500 people live here. Finally, as the sun was setting, our boat took us to our last trip to Khai Nok Island, a postcard perfect island for some beautiful memorable photo shoots. You can chill, snorkel and take photos or enjoy seafood in this island.
So come here and let's have a fun together one day.
If this video helped you plan your trip or sparked your wanderlust, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, travel far and wide.